Hello friends, now we see the description. A simple general purpose scripting language good for writing a short program. Python is interpreted, which means that Python code is translated and executed by an interpreter, one statement at a time, as described earlier in the chapter. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Data in Python are objects created from classes. There are many special characters. First one is opening and closing parentheses used with function. Then pound sign precedes a comment line. Opening and closing quotation marks encloses a string, and paragraph comments encloses a paragraph comment. Now we do some practical part. Now let's do some arithmetic operator. And the way we do that also very much easier than any other programming language. Just press 10 plus 20 and press enter. It is 30. So now if you want to build some program which have very easy interface and runs very faster, Python is a great language to choose. Now let's take some input from user and process it. We have a function called row input, but before that we have to understand what is a variable. You know any other languages that variable stores a value which can be changed inside a program. To declare and define a variable in Python is very easy. Let's say x is equal to 10 and press enter. X is assigned as 10. Now whenever you will go and type x plus anything like 10, it will take x as 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. And now let's take some input from user. As we have talked earlier, y is equal to row input. In the quotation, enter the value of y. Complete the double quotation and press enter. Is print enter the value of y, so it will say enter the value of y, and let me give it 15. X is assigned 10 and y is assigned 15. If you press x plus y, and it gives a error because x was an integer and y was a string. Now to solve this, we can do it in this way: x plus int y and press enter. It will take x and the integer from y, and then it will sum of them and 25. This was very basic tutorial about Python. We have included the arithmetic operation, typecasting, user input as well. This will give you idea of how Python tutorials will go on and teach you Python.